so I received this power washer for free, and there's not much wrong with it. So it's a Generac 2400 PSI gas power washer with a Honda motor on it. A friend of mine gave it to me. A coworker of his gave it to him. He's used it in the past. It ran, and then he put it away for winter, and then I guess he thought the hose was leaking water or something. I guess it wasn't building pressure. I haven't really gotten a straight answer, but I came home and this fucking thing starts up on the first pull. Now, I didn't choke it long enough, but I found two and only two things wrong with it. One, the gas line coming off the carburetor right there. As you can see, I don't know if it's just because that hose clamp isn't in the right spot or what the deal is, but it leaks gas. So we'll take this shit off and we'll figure out why exactly that's leaking. That's number one. And maybe it's the carburetor itself. We'll find out. Number two, I guess when it was put away, the water wasn't taken out of it. And I found this crack right here and water comes out of it. So I found a pump on Amazon for like $60. Hopefully it's the right one. And we shall see if that solves the problem. So this will be on later once I get the pump in. And when I take the carburetor apart, find out if there's anything else that it needs. But not bad for free, huh?